Hello and welcome to Dressmaking with Tiana. In this video, we're going to make this beautiful squared neckline fit and flare dress. The link to our Dressmaking Amore PDF sewing pattern is in the description below this video, so check it out and sew along with us. For this dress, you will need 1.5 to 2 yards of fabric, fusible stay tape to stabilize your pocket opening, matching thread, pins, tape measure, scissors, the pattern, and I will be using a 4-thread serger and a regular sewing machine. You can get more information about the fabric choice in the step-by-step instructional booklet that comes with your pattern. Before we get started, please show us some love by clicking that like button down below and subscribing for more dressmaking videos. Let's begin. Here are our pattern pieces: the bodice back, bodice front, pocket, and the skirt front and back, cut according to the pattern piece information. At the bodice front, pin the darts and sew. Stay stitch the front and the back neckline, as well as the armholes. Front and back right sides together, pin the shoulder seam and sew.
You're one of a kind. One of a kind. One of a kind.
Press the shoulder seams facing the back. Serge the neckline and armhole edge. Then press the bust darts too. Fold the serged edge to the wrong side and pin around the neckline and the armhole. Pinning around the neckline helps evenly distribute the fabric without it stretching or twisting in the process of sewing. Press. Top stitch around the neckline and the armhole. You can sew from the right or the wrong side, just test and see which one is easier and more comfortable for you. Press. Pin the side seams and sew. Hide the serger threads, and turning the seam allowances towards the back, reinforce the side seam at the armhole. Press. Apply fusible stay tape to the skirt pocket openings. The stay tape should lay about ½ inch over the mark on both ends of the pocket opening. Place the two back skirt pieces right sides together, pin, and sew the center seam. Then press. Place the pocket lining to the pocket opening, matching the notches, and pin. Sew the pocket linings to the skirt and serge the edge. Understitch the pocket lining. Understitching helps with two things: keeping the seam allowance in place and keeping the lining and facing from sticking out. Do this for all of your pocket pieces. Pin and sew the side seam matching the edges of the pockets.
You're one of a kind. One of a kind.
Then serge. Press the side seams towards the front. Also, reinforce the pocket opening.
Doesn't mean anything bad. It just means that you're special. You're one of a kind. One of a kind.
Mark the center of the bodice front and back, and mark the center front of the skirt. Place the bodice inside the skirt right sides together, matching the side seams and the center marks, and sew the waistline.
Different doesn't mean anything bad. It just means that you're special. You're one of a kind. One of a kind. One of a kind.
Then serge. Try it on and check the length. If you're happy with it, hem the skirt. If not, make any changes now. Serge the skirt edge. Hem the skirt by folding the serged edge to the wrong side and stitch. Give your dress a finishing press and we are done with our beautiful Alice dress. It's such a youthful and beautiful dress, but really simple in design and stunning to wear. Get this sewing pattern at the link in the description and happy sewing!